And the late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to a new video. Right now doing VeChain, and it's up like 5% exactly, in green, looking good, looking nice. So we're gonna talk about that. It broke some important resistances. We're gonna see what our next resistance to hit. We're gonna see what it has to do, like, to become even more bullish than it is right now and stuff like that. That said, before we start, I gotta ask you if you are very good with the picking coins, if you have any problems with that, because if you do, like, you're not quite sure which coins are good, which are bad, like technically what's pumping, what's not pumping and stuff like that. We got something called daily altcoins video, where we rank coins, 30 coins every single day. Look what's good, what's not, like this is done pumping, this is not done pumping, this is supposed to pump and stuff like that. So if that's something for you, check the Patreon. That said, check also the Telegram link down below, and a very nice community growing, 2,500, 600, 700 members, something like that. Nice bunch of people. That said, now we can get into the charts and actually see what's actually happening with VeChain. So yesterday we had 2 days ago we broke everything, right? It was a max pain, max fear in the market, because we broke the 20 and 10 moving average. Now, even technically looking, breaking the 10 and 20 moving average is actually quite bad. It's all it's a bad sign, right? Luckily for us, we got this very nice candle up here that we went all the way up to the 20 moving average, but we did get above the 10 moving average. So we are not exactly as bullish as some other coins are, because other coins have been like going like crazy over here once they got a chance to go. VeChain unfortunately did not do that, but it looks like it is climbing. Now you must distinguish between the pumping coins like Dogecoin or Phantom or some other small cap coins. Like, they can pump real hard, right? But VeChain isn't the kind of coin that pumps hard. I mean, sure, it pumps in these ending rounds, but usually, mostly, it just slowly climbing, right? So you're gonna see it climbing slowly, but I don't think we're gonna see yet the big pumps like that Doge is doing, like 100% a day or something like that, something crazy. So this is perfectly fine for VeChain. It's in uptrend, it's climbing up right now very nicely. Let me see over here. I think we can talk about something. No, we cannot talk about something here down there. So it looks very nice. So what did actually happen yesterday? So yesterday, when we managed to get above the 10 moving average, we got resisted by the 20 moving average, but that's right now it looks like we are breaking that. Not only that, we are breaking the resistance, this one over here. It was creating some kind of resistance. It was resistant right over there. We were also below that resistance, but today we are breaking that resistance. We are breaking the 20 moving average. We are breaking this resistance up here that I haven't even drawn, because I not actually think that we will get to that, but we actually got there. So this is some kind of a 2.1 resistance. So all kind of resistances are being broken, and you can see over here that with the wick we actually managed to get all the way up to the 0.22 line. That's actually really big resistance on the way up. So let's clear this a little bit up and see if we can look at this a little bit more clearly. Again, now the most bullish sign is that we are right now above the 10 and 20 moving average on the daily chart. So above the white and the red line, that's the most bullish sign. We are breaking right now this line here at 0.20, and next resistance is sitting at, and we are also breaking the 0.21 line. That's the second line. So both of these resistances that have been stopping us, we are right now breaking. So if you can manage to close today above 0.21, it will be very good, very bullish for VeChain. We are already bullish, but it will be a little more bullish, and that's kind of technical analysis work. You're always looking to be a little bit more bullish. There is no 100% bullish. Maybe in certain times when Elon Musk tweets something, maybe you're 100% bullish, but usually there is no such a thing as 100% bullish. You always get a little bit more bullish or a little bit more bearish. And if you can manage to close about 0.217, we can be a little bit more bullish. So resistance after that should come up here at 0.22, and you can see here that we hit it almost on the dollar. This target up here. We tried to several other times to hit the same resistance, but we are not testing the resistance yet, and that resistance is to come. So to me, looking at it from the technical analysis perspective, the best possible scenario is right now ending above the 0.21 line, above over here, because that will mean that we have here some kind of higher high, and then now you have a higher high. That's 3 highs and a low, and this is low, this is higher low. So you want to continue that, you want to continue having these lows being higher, and at the same time you want to have these highs being higher as well. That means that you are technically in an uptrend, right? So that's what we're looking for. We are looking for to be in an uptrend, and we want to close every time we have some kind of dump. We don't want to go below there. We want to go somewhere, and also on the same thing goes for when we go up. We don't want to go just up here, right? We want to go all the way up and down, right? So you want to get these higher highs all the time, right? Because that means you are in an uptrend. That's good. That's bullish. Right, so this is the line actually to break. Actually, there are 2 lines, but first thing first. First, we want to get above 0.21. Then comes this 0.22. That's going to be really important. And once that's broken, I think we're going to be so bullish that these next resistance lines up here, and there are a few, but some of them are more important than others. I don't consider this to be that one important line, 0.23. I'm considering more the 0.25, or yeah, both are at 0.25 lines. I consider them to be more important than the 0.23, although 0.23 is a resistance as well, but 0.25. So what I want to see is actually getting above the 0.22. I think once you get above 0.22, you're good to go. But if you can close above 0.21, we're gonna be super bullish, super nice. Let me see just on the weekly, did anything change? No, nothing changed there. And this cross hasn't yet come. So I think we still got some room to go, a couple of more days to get this cross. But the cross is actually, it doesn't mean anything. What we're looking for actually is this blue line crossing the orange line to the upside, right? Here we crossed on the downside. That was a bearish sign. This is something called a bearish cross. And we're looking for this bullish cross. That means when the blue line crosses on the upside. So crosses don't do anything. They just confirm this this change. So there was this change. This was top, and this was top here, and this only confirms it. But we had the bottom down here, and we just looking for confirmation of the bottom. That's the only thing. But it does help with the bullishness, and because a lot more traders are looking at this crosses, and when they see bullish cross, they kind of enter the market again. That said, 0.21. So let's go down to the 4-hourly chart, see what's happening here, and you can see why we are going up now, because this 10 moving average is crossing all the other moving averages except the 200. It's all the way down there. But the moving averages are important on the 4-hourly, because they are gonna show how fast we're gonna break certain levels on the daily chart. So right now it looks like we are pumping on the 10 moving average. So if you just extrapolate this line and just move something like this, because you know the movement is it depends, like it depends how fast and slow it moves the line. Let's give it a little more room, like so it can let me see how it looks on daily. You cannot draw on this like, you know, it can take a while, maybe a couple of more days, and maybe even today. I'm gonna say, like, what am I gonna say? Well, today I'm hoping for 21, tomorrow I'm hoping for 22. Okay, today I'm hoping we can get above 21 line, and tomorrow I'm hoping for 22. I hope that's enough for you. And if you got trouble again picking coins, check the Patreon, check the Telegram, a lot of nice people there. Also subscribe to the channel, because we do VeChain every single day, and we also do other coins, also Bitcoin every single day, a lot of altcoins. You know, we are technical analysis channel, we do a lot of stuff over here. Anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate you being here. Now that most people have already clicked away, you are probably one of the 15% people that are left watching the end of the video. That means that you are very patient. It means that you can probably survive in the crypto market, because impatient people gamble, they do day trading. Patient people, they can like sit and relax and wait for stuff. You know, if you can just get these simple things in tech analysis, I think you'll do good. So join the Telegram channel, because I think we need more people like you. You know, the calm, the rational people in the chat. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. See you around. Bye bye.